If you're looking to apply to the IIT-Guwahati Data Science and AI program, here's the good news. The application process is fairly simple. And if you clear the application and if you get selected, you'll be certified from one of the top IITs in India. Here are the 3 steps. The first step is talk to the learning advisor and discuss the program you want to enroll in, considering that there are multiple programs. So first of all, have a detailed conversation. Once you are done with the discussion, the learning advisor will set up a screening call in which the team will try to evaluate whether you're good fit for the program. That's step 1. Once the screening call is done, you'll fill up the application form on iitg.accredian.com. You will enter your name details and the basic education profile and work profile detail, etc. And post that, you will need to take a short test, right? This test helps us assess whether you are the right fit for this program or not. It is nothing too complicated, right? Basic questions, but basic eligibility test that needs to be taken. If you score a good score on this test, you are on your way to securing a seat in the next cohort of the IIT-Guwahati admissions team. Final stage, you will receive, if you clear the test, you will receive an admission letter, and this admission letter will confirm your seat in the program called the IIT-Guwahati Executive Program in Data Science and AI, or Data Science, depending on which program you have applied to. That's about the 3-step process for IIT-Guwahati Data Science and AI admission process.